Hello friends, my name is Bethany Stahl and I am a full-time author and illustrator. Today I am going to be talking about how to track and see if there are people talking about your book. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget that I also have a Patreon page where you can join and get additional information and even live one-on-one workshops. So if that is something that interests you and you want more behind the scenes tips, tricks, and documents, go over to patreon.com/BethanyStahl and check that out. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can pay attention to when somebody writes something about your book. So a lot of times I will have found articles about my book, whether they are in blogs or news sources or on social media, or somebody quoting my book or anything like that, just by Googling myself. And I like to do this practice once a month. I will Google each book of mine and then scroll through all the pages of Google and see if there's anything new about it. At which point I will often find a ton more articles that have mentioned myself or my books, and I will grab them and promote them. So a lot of times they will not tell you they've written about you, and that's okay. We will learn how to find it. So one of the things you can do is create a Google alert. That is when a certain topic is mentioned on Google, you will get an email telling you, hey, there is an article about this topic. So if you go to google.com/alerts, you will see a little box that says create an alert about, and then you can type that in. So make sure you are signed into a Google email account. That way you will get emails, and make sure it's in an account that you check so you can see them. I will let you know that the alerts come a lot, so make sure you are specific about what you're searching for. So for example, I can create an alert about Bethany Stahl. So whenever it finds anything about Bethany Stahl, it will alert me that, oh, somebody has said something about you. Here's an article about it, which is helpful in finding more articles. You can also create an alert about your children's book titles, especially if they're a title that is specific. It will work a little bit better. But if it's not, the best thing is you're going to get articles and news sources all about that book. So you will be able to see if somebody's talking about something similar to your book or similar to a topic that you are interested in, and you're able to find new organizations to reach out to, or perhaps find people that also may be interested in your book. So if your book is a children's fantasy series about magic, then if you are looking up topics about children's magic books, you may be able to find people talking about books and may be able to wiggle yourself in there. So these are really cool to track yourself, but also to see what's going on in the world around that topic. So I do have alerts created, and they have been really cool and helpful. A lot of times, if you don't know what to post on social media, if you look at what is coming back with these alerts, there's a lot of things in your realm that you're able to pull and post about and be like, hey, look at this cool thing happening that's kind of related to my book. So it is a good way to give you content, it is a good way to track yourself, and it is a good way to just stay in the know so you remain an expert in your field. I hope this video has helped. I hope you enjoy creating alerts, and don't blame me for all the emails you're about to get. But pick through them, and there is some good stuff in there. So I will see you all next time. If you enjoyed this helpful tip, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.
If you are looking for more information about publishing, go over to bethanystahl.com/classes to see a huge collection of information that I have gathered for you, separated out into topics. Now, most of these classes are free to access, but there are a few that are exclusive to my self-pub patrons. If you do want to join that, go over to patreon.com/BethanyStahl, where you can join and get access to the classes, as well as other behind-the-scenes tips, tricks, and documents that are exclusive to that squad. If you are trying to get into contact with me to ask questions, the best place to do that would be Patreon. I do see all of those messages and comments first, and I am able to reply to those almost immediately. So that is the best place for more individualized help. I hope this video has helped, and I will see you all next time.